Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to print an Apple Watch holder by Makerbot 2A. Firstly, head over to thingiverse.com and find this model by Makerbot 2A. Download and load the model in the Makerbot software. The model is oriented in a way where support has to be printed. So click on Orient, click the bottom of the model, and place it on the bottom. Click on Custom Settings and make sure that you are printing your model with these settings. For post-processing, I see that there is some wisping on the model. The best way to tackle it, in my opinion, is to take a lighter and very carefully give it a light run over with it. The model cleans up really quickly and looks amazing. Take the model and the Apple Watch wireless charger and feed it through. Afterwards, the charger is done and is ready to be used.